As you can see there, that during the spring and summer, fall, that is an active, essentially a waterfall down there. This wall definitely slows the flow down, drips over it in a couple different positions. Yeah, this is a very, even for this area, this is a pretty peculiar, I guess you could use the word, site, because besides potential ceremonial use, there's like, again, actual engineering going on and trying to alter the flow or make it more suitable potentially for farming. You'll see here, all frozen now. Pretty warm day today, but still cold enough to keep it frozen. Again, some huge rocks in that wall, lots of smaller ones too. Goes on for a long way and just lines the path of the stream down there. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Fucking fall on my face. And so many runner walls, they connect to both sides and going, you know, every cardinal direction essentially. They do largely form a grid, which people say is like gives credence to that it was, you know, European colonists trying to break this land in, but no. And also up there, over the sun setting, does seem to be a foundation of some settler built or post-settler built structure, like maybe a house foundation. This stuff though by itself is just it's so baffling and beautiful. I mean, I've seen a lot of stone walls, but they put a lot of time and effort into lining thickly too and high this bank system where the stream runs through. So yeah, as you can see, that is part of the wall right there where this flows. So this does in fact slow this flow down a little bit, and they worked around it probably to honor and recognize the spirit of water that goes through here and to respect it, not try to get in its way, but to work with it. Again, it goes on and on, up and down. I have gone up these hills in the past. There's not too much to see. They're kind of way thinner walls, not very high, not very thick. But I do recall way further down, there was two small stone mounds that actually overlook a small waterfall. One that's probably further down this way. Don't have too much daylight left. We're not going too far, but I love it back here and I'm happy to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna press on a little further. Maybe we can get back to that spot where the mountains are, or the two cairns, because we're not supposed to call them anymore. It is quite a unique building style of how varying lengths of thickness, but it still always follows the course of the stream, sometimes closely, sometimes kind of far apart. Here comes another segment right now. There's another one in here. And if up here you can see that's to be kind of the end termination of a runner wall that will probably go maybe even a half a mile, maybe more. If you really look at it from the maps, the aerial maps, it's crazy, the gridding that goes on out here. Very peaceful, very good energy, clean energy.